So, a world premiere down here at the San Diego Auto Show. This had never been seen until today anywhere in the world. San Diego has a coup. This is the brand new Ram TRX, and the head of Ram PR was shipped out with the truck for us, Nik Kappa. Nik, this is quite a coup for you guys. The big, muscular truck that we all thought wouldn't be coming back is back.
The TRX is back. It's a 2027 Ram 1500 SRT TRX. So this is the first time we've actually put the SRT badge on a off-road variant. So it's street and race technology, which means we squeeze every bit of performance out of the truck. 777 horsepower. Takes the best in class. This is the fastest production gas-powered truck you can buy. 0 to 60 in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 3.5 seconds.
3.5 seconds.
3.5 seconds.
3.5.
Yeah, 1,000, 2, 1,000, 3.5.
Now, it's going to go on sale when? 5 years' time? How long we have to wait?
It'll be available this year. I have to keep reminding myself that we're now...
It's already 26.
26, yeah, exactly. So it's going to be available this year. That's $99,995.
Wow, and for 777 horsepower, that's a pretty good deal. Can you show me how much ground clearance it has? Because if you're going to take this to the dunes and do that sort of stuff, you want plenty of room under these trucks, right?
So you make a good point there. So you have to have really good suspension, and this has Black Hawk suspension system. It has 35-inch tires, but the ground clearance is important, and let me demonstrate.
Oh, look at this. It's the signature move. Can you roll under the truck? Yes. Nik's broad shoulders makes it under the truck as well. This is an amazing piece of technology, but SRT is really elevating this truck, right?
That's true, and when it comes back, it's genuinely designed. Street in-rest technology is supposed to squeeze all of it. We have a core engineering group that's just set out to do that. We could have been best in class in horsepower with this, with just 721, but no, they punched it up. We're at 777 horsepower.
Now, a lot of times we see these amazing trucks at auto shows, but you know, the order books are like 3-4 years out. So what's going to be the reality of getting one in San Diego if you want one?
They're going to be open for orders in the first quarter of this year, and they'll be available by the end of the second quarter.
Really, that quickly? But is it going to be easy or hard to get one?
Yeah. Well, I guess they're going to move as fast as the 0 to 60 time does, but I mean, you're in this area in San Diego. There's like the core off-road area. You have Glamis, Johnson Valley, Ocotillo Wells. This is the core place for this type of truck.
Nik, thank you for coming all the way from Detroit and showing us this cool truck. There's going to be plenty more. The show is open until Sunday at 6 p.m. I'm Nik Miles, and I'll throw it back to you.